was driving behind you. I don't know if you noticed. You were swerving. You didn't indicate the turn signal. Okay, you can record all you want. I mean, I don't know what you're doing there. What you're looking up. You're looking up. You little weirdo. Do me a favor. Open up all the windows. Blah blah. Let's go.
Tell me again why
You want me to make your life difficult? Because I love making people's lives difficult.
Really?
There you go. I just did that. What are you going to do about it?
I'll step out the
Listen to
vehicle
me,
for you.
follow my directions, and this can go very easy.
Listen, sir.
Listen,
Do you
sir,
want me to get out the car or you don't?
I want you to follow my directions like you just did, like a good boy.
I'm licensed to carry on my chest.
Is this fake? You know, a lot of people like to act like they're cops.
Federal agent.
Do you know that a great fragrance can boost your confidence? Much like the guy in this video. Now it's easier than ever to find the fragrance that fits you thanks to Scentbird. You can scan this QR code or simply use my code WTPU to get your first month for only $8. Every month after that is only $16.95, saving you hundreds compared to full-size bottles. Me personally, I've been loving the Dolce & Gabbana. With its clean, crisp, but subtle smell, it's perfect for date nights. It's like the finishing touch on what's about to be a night of fun. Dolce & Gabbana, the one for men, has a sweet, spicy, aromatic, and plush fragrance that has a crisp, ginger scent. And not to mention my other favorite fragrance, Versace Main Eau Fraiche, adds a rosewood to top notes of lemon to give a warm and aromatic feel. And get this, Scentbird offers flexibility. You never get stuck with a fragrance that doesn't fit your vibe. There's tons of variety, with over 700 options including high-end brands like Prada and Versace, as well as niche favorites like Perfumes de Marly. There's something new for everyone. The travel-friendly packaging is a lifesaver. It's compact, mess-free, and holds a generous 30-day supply. Plus, everything is delivered right to your doorstep, making it incredibly convenient. And look, don't just take my word for it, get started with Scentbird today. Use my promo code WTPU to get started for just $8. That's WTPU. A huge shout out to Scentbird for helping me discover my new favorite fragrance. Now it's your turn to get started with Scentbird today. You can scan my QR code or use my code WTPU to get your first month for only $8. Thanks to Scentbird for sponsoring this video. Welcome back to another episode of We the People University. My name is Abaya Israel, former police officer and former sheriff's deputy. First, before we jump into this video of the most arrogant police officer you're probably ever going to meet, and I know a lot of people might want to debate that one because everyone's probably met the most arrogant police officer, but this guy's pretty bad. But before we jump into that, I just want to say thank you to all you guys who reached out to me. I received the emails. I couldn't respond to them all. No, I haven't disappeared. Some things, personal things, matters on my end that I had to take care of, and still in the process of taking care of. But I just want to update you guys that, you know, I will be back releasing videos. And one of the first videos that I got a chance to take a look at was this video where the police officer stops a federal agent. And in the end, you see what happened. I absolutely love the ending of this video. This is the next best thing that can happen other than a lawsuit, and that is for a police officer to walk away in fear, knowing that he just messed up. Unfortunately, I only know the state. I don't know the department. I know we love to hold these officers accountable, but if you guys can find out what department this is before I do, please put it in the comment section. I would love to know so that we can hold them accountable. But I just want to show this to you guys because this was a great ending, and I like how this federal agent stood up to this cop and also told him, hey, us federal agents, we don't like you cops. There was at one point, I probably would have took that personally, but now looking back at how cops actually operate, I don't blame them. Let's check this out.
Open the window for me all the way, please. Put the phone down. Put the phone down. Can you do me a favor? Open all the windows.
What?
Open all the windows.
Why do you want me to open up the window?
I need you to open all the windows for me right now. Anybody else in this vehicle?
Oh, there's nobody else in the vehicle, but you can let me know.
Okay.
I'm recording.
All right. You know why I'm pulling you over right now?
No, why?
Okay, I'm pulling you over because I saw you. I was driving behind you. I don't know if you noticed. You were swerving. You didn't indicate the turn signal. Okay, you can record all you want. I mean, I don't know what you're doing there. What you're looking up. You're looking up. You little weirdo.
Listen, I'm right now. making sure.
Do me a favor, open up all the windows, blah, blah. Let's go.
I'm gonna open up all the windows for you.
Sir,
But
why
yeah,
are you
just
making this
listen,
difficult?
listen. So tell me again why you.
You want me to make your life difficult?
So tell me
Because I love making people's lives difficult.
Really?
There you go. I just did that. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. Okay, so, now, license, registration, proof of insurance.
You gonna need
Can
to
you
tell me
get
why
off your phone?
Listen,
Your little TikTok thing?
listen, can you tell me why you put me on?
I just did. Are you
Matter
deaf?
of fact, can you call your supervisor?
Are you deaf?
Can you call your supervisor?
Oh, there's no supervisor.
There's no supervisor.
No, there is no supervisor. I'm the most senior officer on the road right now.
All right, listen.
So,
I'll tell you what
I would be said supervisor.
I'm gonna let you listen to my music.
Okay, so that's how we're gonna play. All right, step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle for me.
Listen,
Okay, put the phone
listen,
down.
listen.
Hold on. Actually, you know
Listen.
what? Do you have any weapons on? Do you have anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car?
Listen.
Do you have anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car? Sir?
Listen.
You're gonna make this. You're gonna make this
Can I
difficult.
step out the vehicle
Can you
then?
just
Listen.
answer the question first?
I'll step out the
Keep your
vehicle
hands
for you.
on the wheel.
I'll step out the
Listen
vehicle
to me.
for you.
Follow my directions, and this can go very easy.
Listen, sir.
Listen,
Do you
sir.
want me to get out the car or you don't?
I want you to follow my directions like you just did, like a good boy.
I'm
So he comes up, banging on the guy's window, telling him to listen like he's a good little boy. And his attitude, his arrogance is really a lot higher than what I've ever seen personally myself. And what do you guys think?
All right.
I'll follow your directions.
Okay.
Now, did you want
Do
me to
you
get out
have
the car or
any
you don't?
weapons or anything you shouldn't have in a vehicle or on your person at this moment?
No.
No.
Nope.
Okay. Do you have a firearm on you? Do you have a license to carry a firearm if you do?
Are we in Florida? Even if I
Sir,
did have a license on me, you
answer
don't
my
even
question.
need
What is this back
to
and
have what
forth?
you're talking
Okay,
about.
get out of the vehicle. My
even
question. What
need
is this back
to
and
have
forth?
what you're talking about.
Okay, get out of the vehicle. Okay. All right.
All right, listen.
Hands over here.
I got a gun
Hands over
right here on my side.
Okay, put your hands up then.
I got a gun on my side.
Okay.
Can you do me a favor?
226. I'm gonna have it totally mailed.
Listen,
No,
look
listen.
at my
you-
shirt.
Rush
Listen,
that back up.
While you searching me,
Spread your feet out.
while you
your
searching
feet
me,
out.
sir,
Put your feet out.
while you searching me,
Where's the
could you
gun?
please,
Where's the gun?
On my
Where's the
right, right here. On my right hand.
For my safety and your safety, we're gonna do this today, okay?
So keep in mind, and most of you guys may already know this, but there is a such thing as a duty to inform state and a state that's not a duty to inform state, simply meaning that you have a duty to inform the officer if you're carrying a weapon. Well, this is the state of Florida. There is no duty to inform unless you are requested to give that information, okay? To know if your state is a duty to inform, you can simply look it up. You can Google a duty to inform state and a list of states will pop up and it would show which states have a duty to inform law or not.
Hey, make sure when you do that, while you're searching me,
You got big muscles, huh?
my gun is right on my chest.
Oh, wow. Oh, on your chest, huh? So we're lying today. Are you a gangbanger? Is that what you're doing here? You're selling drugs?
It's me?
Oh,
No.
okay.
Okay,
Don't
I'm
move.
sitting in the parking lot.
Don't move. You have a license to carry this?
We're in Florida, right?
But, do you have a shot?
I sure enough do.
Okay.
You know what?
It's called the, hey buddy,
It's around my neck.
it's called the concealed carry permit.
Listen, my license is around my neck.
Oh,
I carry it around my neck.
okay. Well, first let's see what else you got. See, you're lying a bit. Hey, didn't I spread your feet apart? Spread your feet apart, huh? Fucking scared. Oh, shit.
This is what we're doing?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Listen, can you make sure you get my
What is this?
can you make sure you get my license to carry? My license to carry is on my chest.
Is this fake? You know, a lot of people like to act like they're cops.
Federal agent.
Right. Where's the ID? Let's check the ID. Do me a favor.
Federal agent.
Okay.
So now my
against-
badge don't even make a
Lean
difference.
against the car. Lean against the car. Lean against the car. So you're a cop. So why wouldn't you tell me?
It seemed like you fraudulently pulled me over.
You been drinking today?
Drinking, sir. We don't drink.
I smell alcohol emanating from the vehicle.
Actually, we're doing an investigation on.
Okay.
And just what? You just happened to pass.
216. Status of that back up.
You just happened to pass.
Okay.
So when your sergeant gets here and he realizes what's going on right now,
What's going on
you're
is that I
doing,
stopped.
and you
I stopped.
the badge don't make
Why
a
are you
difference?
yelling? Where's the? Okay. So I found your ID.
because here I have
are
a
you-
cop
why are
who's
you
doing
being
some
difficult
things
today?
that's wrong. Tell me why, as a police
Why are you
officer,
shouting?
tell me why another police officer in handcuffs.
You didn't identify
Over a
yourself.
swerve?
You didn't identify yourself as a police officer. You were swerving. You didn't indicate your turn signal.
Once again, sir, you didn't call your sergeant here neither.
There's
so
no
there's the
sergeant.
things that we supposed to do here, right?
Okay. All right, let me get these off of you, buddy. I don't know why you're being like this.
Listen,
I don't know why you're being like this.
I don't know
I mean, hey,
what y'all got going on here.
what y'all got going on?
I'll tell you what.
You know, you
We
could
as
just,
agents, we're gonna figure it out. You know, we don't like city cops. You know that, right?
Okay, yeah, we don't like
The
federal cops either.
agents don't like city cops.
We're alphabet
we don't
cops.
consider ourselves cops.
What are you, a pencil pusher, man? Come on.
I
Listen, you
will
could have
put
just,
the pencil
I pulled
on
you over, you could have just identified yourself as police officer and this would have been done.
You do as though we
I would
need
have
to pull
said,
you on.
I would have said, of course there was.
When I showed you my badge and you grabbed my badge, you still didn't believe it was real.
Because people impersonate officers all the time. Do
Okay.
they not?
When I see a
They don't-
sergeant,
they
I'll
don't
make
teach
sure.
you-
When I see your sergeant, we'll make sure.
Well, we don't have to go that far.
When I see a
They don't-
sergeant,
they
I'll
don't
make
teach
sure.
you-
When I see your sergeant, we'll make sure.
Well, we don't have to go that far, okay?
No, we won't. We'll go farther than that.
Oh, okay.
We'll make sure we talk to them. We'll make sure we do a lot of things on this. And I'm pretty
Right.
sure you probably
Uh-huh.
have other offenses against you. But you have a nice day. And I continue to have a mind.
Listen,
I
listen,
appreciate you, sir.
listen.
Sir, I appreciate you.
You have a good day,
Thank you much.
Captain.
And this is where he knew he messed up. Okay, so if I knew you were a cop, then this wouldn't have happened. You should have just told me you were a cop. And this is the problem in policing. It shouldn't happen to anyone. It should not be a special pass because you have a badge or I don't have a badge, but you get special treatment and I don't because I don't have the badge. That's the way it works though. I mean, we're like broken records saying the same thing over and over and over again, but that is actually the way it works. And unfortunately, I don't see it changing anytime soon. Again, I don't know what police department this was. I wish I did. I did want to share the video just to, add a little bit of extra to it as far as for those who did not know what a right to or a duty to inform was. A duty to inform state, if you did not know what that was, because I did get that question before. And primarily, I just want to show the arrogance of this cop so you can also remember to know who or what you're up against each and every time you step out your front door. It's unfortunate that this is policing in America, but with that, I do like what the agent said. I'm not going to stop here. We're going to go further than this. And you can hear the cop at the end. And you heard what he said because he knew he messed up. And that's the same approach each and every one of us are supposed to take. Stop taking this sitting down. There are so many people that send me videos and then I reach out and I'm asking about updates. Did you file a complaint at the very least? And we do nothing. And so a lot of times the viewers are asking for certain updates, but there are none. I reach out, I ask, but we as a people, we are not following up. We have to do more. Do the same thing this agent did and take it to the next level. With that being said, always know your rights and always report the police. We the People University, signing off. Remember, you can scan my QR code or use my code WTPU to get your first month for only $8. Thanks to Scentbird for sponsoring this video.